Today we will talk about how to make money through YouTube. For many, making money on YouTube is the dream. After all, YouTubers appear to have a great life and the adoration of their fans to bask in. And since creating a YouTube channel is easier than ever, there's no harm in thinking big and aiming high. But, while creating a YouTube channel is simple, turning it into a cash machine isn't as straightforward. You may earn your first $100 by selling something or landing a sponsorship deal, but maximizing earnings requires understanding all your options before you dive in. 1. Join the YouTube Partner Program. If you've been wondering how to make money from YouTube, then it's essential that you're aware of the YouTube Partner Program and how it works. YouTube content creators won't be able to monetize any of their videos until they've been accepted into the YouTube Partner Program. When your YouTube channel has 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public views, it'll be reviewed to join the Partner Program. This means that you won't be able to generate any revenue until you've hit these numbers, so it's essential to continue creating content and increasing your channel's reach. You can apply for the monetization once you meet the program's criteria. 2. Get featured on YouTube Premium. How do you make money on YouTube besides running channel advertisements? YouTube Premium is the answer. YouTube Premium is a paid membership service that enables people to watch ad-free videos. Creators don't have to do anything, as they'll automatically get a second revenue stream when YouTube Premium members play their videos. As with YouTube monetization rules for advertising-based revenue, most of the revenue generated via premium membership fees will go to creators. Total revenue distribution is based on how much premium members watch your content. Premium members will also get the opportunity to download and watch your videos offline and play them in the background, which contributes to your watch time. One tactic that you can use to make money from YouTube videos is to collaborate with other YouTubers. This is a great method that will allow you to grow your YouTube presence, add unique content to your channel, and open up your content to a whole audience. Do some research on YouTubers who are active in your niche and reach out to them with a great video idea. They'll more than likely be interested in collaborating. 3. Offer channel memberships. When your YouTube channel gets more than 30,000 subscribers, you can add another income stream by leveraging channel memberships. This is where fans pay $4.99 a month for a membership package that includes perks like early access to videos, members-only live chat, exclusive emojis, and more. Members will be highlighted in comments, live chat, and the community tab through special members-only badges. Microsoft Corporation is a multinational technology company headquartered in Redmond, Washington. Established in 1975 by Bill Gates and Paul Allen, it initially gained prominence for its MS-DOS and Windows operating systems. Over the decades, Microsoft expanded its portfolio, introducing products like Office Suite, Internet Explorer, and Xbox gaming consoles. With its cloud platform, Azure, and acquisitions such as LinkedIn and GitHub, the company has solidified its presence in the enterprise software and cloud computing realms. Under CEO Satya Nadella's leadership since 2014, Microsoft has emphasized innovation, collaboration, and a shift towards cloud and AI-centric products, maintaining its status as a tech industry leader. Because audiences are well aware that it can be a real challenge to get a YouTube creator's attention, it makes sense to offer channel memberships. And voila, you've got another answer for how to make money from YouTube. Pro tip: use your videos to remind people that they can become exclusive members by clicking the join button on your page. When you create videos for YouTube that are longer than 10 minutes, you'll have a higher chance of generating more money through ad revenue. YouTube videos that are longer than 10 minutes will likely have a higher watch time, which positively contributes towards the amount of ad revenue that said videos would generate. Also, videos that have a higher average watch time will appear higher up in YouTube search results, which means there's a higher chance for users to view your content. 4. Endorse affiliate products in your videos. Businesses are well aware of the potential which YouTube channels with a large following have, and they're always looking to exploit this to grow their own business. Once you've garnered a substantial following on the platform, you'll likely experience businesses reaching out to you and requesting you to promote their products in exchange for cash. Consider becoming an affiliate of these brands and including product placements in your videos. You can also sign up for popular affiliate programs to expand your affiliate network. It can be a great way to generate some extra revenue, but be careful when doing this, as viewers are well aware when something is being advertised. While Google, with its core search engine, advertising services, AdWords, mobile OS, Android, and platforms like YouTube, remains the most significant revenue driver, Alphabet's other subsidiaries, often termed Other Bets, explore frontier technologies. These include Waymo, self-driving cars, Verily, life sciences, and Wing, drone delivery. Under the leadership of Sundar Pichai, Alphabet continues to influence the tech world, championing innovation, digital services, and research on emerging technologies. Pro tip: only promote products that you think will be valuable for your audience, and disclose the partnership to your viewers that'll help you comply with YouTube's policies. 5. Monetize live streams via Super Chat. Super Chat is a popular new way to make money from YouTube. The feature lets your audience buy chat messages that stand out and, in certain instances, pin them to the top of the comments section of a live stream. So, when you go live on YouTube, you can use Super Chat to monetize your stream. YouTube monetization rates for Super Chat range from $1 to $500, and the company takes a 30% cut from the revenue. For anyone wondering how to make money from YouTube Super Chat, the key is to organize and promote live streams. Promote them in videos, on other social media platforms, and anywhere else where your audience loves hanging out. 6. Become a YouTube influencer. With influencer marketing on the rise, there's a big opportunity for you as a creator to get in on the action. But where do you start? According to YouTube marketing expert and influencer Brendan Gahan, creators should establish a flat fee by taking the number of views their videos typically receive and multiplying it by 15 cents per view. Digital marketing agency WebFX listed the following figures for how much YouTube influencers can expect to earn. $20,000 per video for a creator with 1 million subscribers. $2,000 per video for a creator with 100,000 subscribers. $200 per video for a creator with 10,000 subscribers. The key to earning more is to partner with brands whose products are valuable to your audiences. 7. Lead viewers to your products. It doesn't matter whether you're already running an e-commerce business, or you're just looking to learn how to make money from YouTube, it's a great idea to promote your products on your channel. You can promote the items in both your videos and your descriptions. It's a great way to generate more traffic to your website. If you haven't already set up your store, you can use Shopify to set up your own store with ease. Once you've got your store up and running, you can sell products that make sense to promote to your audience, be it merch, products that you've mentioned in your videos, or just items that you think your viewers will be interested in. If you're exploring how to make money from YouTube, this is a great opportunity. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.